So you've got an iPad Pro and you want to get files directly from your USB flash drive or SD card. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super easy. First thing you need to do is install the iPad OS beta on here. I'll provide a link in the description below. It's a little bit unstable, but I think that the features you get with it are worth the trade-off. Next, you're going to need one of these small little dongles, a USB-A to USB-C. Alright, so this is super easy. Go ahead and get your USB-C to USB-A dongle, get your flash drive, and plug it in. Go ahead and open your Files app, and it should just show up right on the left. Yep, there it is, Samsung USB. Click it, and all your files should be here. You can copy them over to your iPad or even to iCloud. We'll pull this out. All right, now let's get your files off the SD card. You've got a regular old 32 gigabyte SD card here, and I've got this SD card to USB-A dongle. Go ahead and put the SD card in here, and we will connect this dongle to our USB-C dongle, like so. We've got a dongle to dongle connection going on. Plug it right in, lights up, into our Files app. No name, and here it is, everything that you need. You can go ahead and copy those over the same way. And it's as simple as that. That's all there is to it. All right, see you next time.